If you're exploring the rich culinary traditions of Region 2, Cagayan Valley in the Philippines, one dish you shouldn't miss is pork lunas. This flavorful specialty from the province of Nueva Vizcaya is known for its savory, slightly tangy taste and tender texture. It's simple, rustic, and deeply rooted in local tradition.
To cook this delicious classic.
Ayatan ka, ay ayatan ka, ay ayatan ka Pilipinas. Ay ayatan ka, ay ayatan ka, ay ayatan ka Pilipinas. Love the islands, valley and mountains, blue water shaded golden sunshine. Come to the sound of natural world, more reasons to love. Cagayan Valley, Northern Philippine Islands, limitless, boundless happiness. Breathtaking sights awaits beyond the clouds. This is the place where adventure never ends. Love, love, love. Ay ayatan ka, ay ayatan ka, ay ayatan ka Pilipinas. Ay ayatan ka, ay ayatan ka, ay ayatan ka Pilipinas.
The flavors, the stories and arts, festival echoes of traditions and culture. Explore, discover extraordinary, countless reasons to love your
islands and valley of fun. Cagayan Valley, Northern Philippine Islands, limitless, boundless happiness. Breathtaking sights awaits beyond the clouds. This is the place where adventure never ends. Love, love, love. Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, Isabela, Cagayan, Batanes, group of islands. Love the people and ethnic tribes. Ay ayatan ka. Your island.
Ano sa'yo din? Ay, sige sa'yo po. Yung gusto ko ba? Ano ba? Wala. Ang sarap. Lasang ko. Mahahula. Sakto lang. Sumali ako. Ay, nice ko. Sarap na. Labang ko yan, ha? Namay pang mabawang, namay pang tamaan. Hindi na ako umay. Perfect. Pagkatan mga diba? Hindi ka makagat na. Paano pa? Paano na ito? Ano na ito? Paano kamay ito? May lang naman. Masarap. Perfect. Hindi po kanin mo. Hindi. Sarap pa. Sarap niya. Ito pa ang galing ko.
Okay.